Hello lovelies, it's for you Ashleigh, and this is for all the people that think it's still okay to go running around out there. I know just what you're running from. I can't see where you're coming from. What matters thinking who's baddest, but the one who stops you falling from your ladder. When you're feeling like you're feeling now, you're doing things just to please your crowd. When I love you like the way I love you, and I suffer, but I ain't gonna cut you, 'cause this ain't no place for no hero. This ain't no place for no better man. This ain't no place for no hero. Go home. And every time I close my eyes, I think about you inside, and your mother giving up on asking why you lie and you cheat and you try to make a fool of she. This ain't no place for no hero. This ain't no place for no better man. This ain't no place for no hero. Oh, go home. Oh, go home. Oh, go home. Go home. Yeah, I can't see where you're coming from, but I know just what you're running from. What matters thinking who's baddest, but the one who stops you falling from your ladder. When you're feeling like you feeling now, you're doing things just to please your crowd. When I love you like the way I love you, and I suffer, but I ain't gonna cut you, 'cause this ain't no place for no hero. This ain't no place for no better man. This ain't no place for no hero. Go home. Oh, go home. Go home. There you go. That oh, who's that by? I'll have to look up who it's by, but I know it was written for a video game. What else have I got? Capo up, maybe. Yeah. Man who stole the water, gonna swim forevermore, but he never reached the land on that golden shore. Faint white light gonna haunt his heart till it's only a memory, yeah, lost in the dark. Dig that hole in the ground, all the way down to hell, till there ain't no more water in that well, 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 ain't no more water. yourself down in that hole till you paid the price. Well, you don't know the worth of the fire and the water, the air and the earth. Dig that hole in the ground, all the way down to hell, till there ain't no more water in that well, well, well. So can someone give me a thumbs up if it's still sounding okay? That'd be really nice. Or a thumbs down if it's starting to crackle or whatever. This one's for you, Ashley, actually. Someone said to me the other day, oh, you should tune up before you actually do videos of yourself and that. And it's like, well, try to make it like as much as like a live gig as possible, so no. But I probably wouldn't be wearing a purple kaftan at a live gig. But who knows, maybe in the future. We'll see. Flying high, you know how I feel. The sun up in the sky, you know how I feel. Breeze drift on by, you know how I feel. It's a new dawn, it's a new day, it's a new life for me. Fish in the sea, you know how I feel. River running free, oh, you know how I feel. Blossom on the tree, yeah, you know how I feel. It's a new dawn, it's a new day, it's a new life for me. Dragonfly out in the sun. You know what I mean. Butterflies all having fun. Oh, you know what I mean. Sleep in peace when day is done. That's just what I mean. And this old world is a new world and a bold world for me. Oh, I'm feeling good. Stars, when you shine, you know how I feel. Scent on the vine, you know how I feel. Freedom this morning, yeah, that's just how I feel. And this old world is a new world and a bold world for me. Oh, I'm feeling good. I'm feeling good. Oh, I'm feeling good. Okay, I'm going to have a break and have a cup of tea or something now, and yeah, see if all of that worked. If it did, yeah, I've got a PayPal now. I'll put it somewhere there on the in the comments, the little link. So I think I've set it all up properly. So yeah, if you want to throw a few bucks in my virtual guitar case, that'd be nice. Thank you. Bye.